In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jira Software and GitHub. If you want your development workflow to feel more connected, linking Jira Software with GitHub is a great place to start. This integration helps bring your project management and code activity together, so your team can track work more efficiently and keep everything aligned in one ecosystem. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the setup process directly from Jira, and it only takes a few moments to get started. To begin, open your Jira Software project and go to the top area of the screen. There, click the three-dot menu. This menu gives you access to additional project options and settings that aren't always visible on the main board view, so it's the first place to go when you need to configure something like an integration. Once that menu opens, click Space Settings. This is where you manage key configuration options for the project space, including connections to external tools. If you're following along in your own workspace, make sure you have the right permissions, because installation and integration settings may only be available to admins or project owners. Inside the settings area, look for the toolchain section and click it. The toolchain page is where Jira lets you connect development tools and services that support your team's workflow. This is the part that bridges planning in Jira with actual engineering activity in platform like GitHub. On the toolchain page, find GitHub for Atlassian and click Install. This starts the process of adding the integration to your Jira environment. At this stage, Jira is preparing to connect with GitHub through the official app, which helps ensure a more reliable and standardized setup. After that, click Get It Now. This confirms that you want to proceed with installing the integration. Depending on your browser or organization settings, you may see a short loading screen or a marketplace confirmation page. That's completely normal. Then simply wait for the installation to finish. The process may take a little time, so give it a moment to complete. Once it's installed, Jira and GitHub will be ready to work together through the Atlassian integration. As a final tip, after installation, it's a good idea to verify that the app appears correctly in your toolchain or connected apps area so you know the setup was successful. And that's it. You've now started integrating Jira Software with GitHub.